Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down.
Hey guys, it's Lily. I'm a little bit sick, so I'm gonna go ahead and apologize in advance for my voice. I sound like a man. But yeah, I just wanted to make a video before it was like months later. Like, I wanna be a little more consistent on my YouTube videos for you guys. But today I'm gonna show you guys how I get my big messy waves. I don't know if you'd call these waves or curls, but like today it turned out a little more curly than I'd hoped. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I do my hair, there's no heat other than the hair dryer for like a minute. But other than that, it's basically harmless to your hair, and I like to do this when I've done too much hot ironing to my hair, just to give it a break from all the heat and stuff. But yeah, if you guys are interested, just keep watching. I'll see you in the next clip. So I just showered and I washed my hair and conditioned it as well. I've had it up in a towel for maybe like 30 minutes or so. Okay, so it's still a little bit damp, and that's how I want it. So I'm just going to brush it out. Okay, so first product I'm gonna put in my hair is my favorite, Tresemme mousse. It is the all-day humidity resistant extra hold mousse. I use this stuff all the time, even when I like straighten my hair, curl it, just let it go natural. This is my go-to. I'm gonna start out with about a palm full. Try to work it evenly throughout my hair, not just like on the bottoms. Like, I don't want my hair crunchy. And plus, when you put some in your roots, it helps hold volume and texture much better. That's why I use it when I straighten it as well, because it just doesn't let it go flat. It gives it texture. So I'm probably gonna put a little bit more. Push it out again. And now I'm gonna put some argan oil in the ends of my hair to help it not look dry or burnt from the hot irons and stuff. So I'm just gonna put like just a little dab of it. Warm it up in between my hands. And focus it on the ends of my hair. Now I'm going to dry the roots just a little bit for extra volume. Okay, so I just dried my hair some. I'm going to start off with the top part. I'm gonna make myself look like an idiot. Okay, you ready? I'm just gonna grab the front section. I like to make mine a little bit crooked because I part my hair on this side. I want it to, like, from doing this a couple times, I know that like if I keep it perfectly centered when I do this little top knot, it doesn't put the wave where I want it. So I'm gonna take mine over just a little bit to the side. I have like where my bangs would be, basically. I'm just going to twist it and wrap it around to a little bun and tie it. Ta-da. Here's one. Okay, and now I'm going to do two on the sides, and then I'm gonna braid it down the back so I get a weird texture of waves and curls, and it just looks all big and messy. And yeah, that's how I achieve my lion mane. The ones on the side always seem to fall down on me, so I grabbed a couple bobby pins. I'm just gonna pin them in place. And now I'm going to do one more on the back top section of my hair. Okay, now I I look so cute. I'm gonna go out like this. I'm done. No, now I'm going to braid the back longer section of my hair. I don't know if I can show you all because I can't tell if I'm videoing it right, but just in case I don't get it, I take 3 sections. I start off doing a French braid, and then I will take the same section and wrap it around twice, and then keep going so that it's wavy and then curly in some places, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna try to show you now. And here's where I'm going to double whip it. Oh, I got that, but yeah. And I'm just gonna continue doing that all the way down. A little bit of French braid and then wrapping it around twice. And once it gets to the bottom and like one piece is longer than the other, I take a little bit of it and add it to one of the shorter pieces. I'm going to take a little elastic band and put it around the end of my braid. I can't hardly talk. Okay. And then now I'm going to just chill like this. And you could do this before you went to bed, but I've never done it with these. I've done just the messy braid. But you could probably sleep with it like this, I think. But yeah, I'm just gonna chill for like an hour or so and then take it down and show you all the final look. But while I'm like sitting down and stuff, I will play with my braid some. Like I'll squeeze it just so it like helps mold it into the waves better. So you can do that too. But I'm gonna go chill for a little while and then I will show you all the final look when I'm done. Or you can just leave it like this because it's really cute, you know? We got little ears, extra ears. Yeah. Okay, I'll see you all. Okay, it's been about an hour or so and now I'm gonna take down my hair. So we'll start with the, this one's already fallen down some, but I'm gonna start with the side pieces. These are usually tricky for me, so they didn't turn out the best. Sorry. I'm just gonna kind of split it in half to make it look a little more loose. Okay, this side may have done a little too good for me. Okay, it's okay. It'll fall out some too. This one did a little better for me. This side always does weird, but it's okay. Take down the top. Don't think it's doing the best. I'm just gonna play with it until it loosens up to how I like it. I'm just gonna run my fingers through it, play with it some, till I get my desired look. But some days it does better for me than others. Today it's seeming to be a little bit crazy. It does fall out some the more the day goes on, but no, this is pretty poofy even for me. I don't know. I'll just roll with it though, whatever. Okay, so I'm just gonna hope that it falls out a little bit, because it usually does, but today would be the day it wouldn't, because I'm making a video of it. But I'm gonna hairspray it just a little bit to keep it from frizzing and to help hold some of the wave. I just use Aussie Mega hairspray and flexible hold. Yeah, this one smells like grape. To part it in the middle. Since I part it on the side, this is a secret that I usually show my friends to help get more volume. Since I part my hair on the side, I part it down the middle, and then I will hairspray it and let it dry like that, and I'll pat it just so that like when I flip it back over, it's going the opposite way of how I hairsprayed it, so then it'll have like more texture up under there and it'll keep it poofy. So I'll do the same thing on this side. Since I part it right here, I want this side to stay lifted. Part it over just a little bit. Right side. Pat it. Let it go down. Alright guys, this is the final look. I'll let you see. It's way more kinky curly than I'm used to. It's usually more soft waves, but this is just how it turned out for me today. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video for me. It really helps support my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey guys. And like, I've done a lot of heat things to a lot of... Here we go. I can't really breathe. Oh my god. Hey. Okay, so I just... Hey. Hey. Huh? Hey. Okay. I think we're good. My voice, I sound like a man. I can't hardly talk. Hey guys. I look like an alien. Big, messy wave, V-curl hair. Yeah. Right now, I look like little Bo Peep. Oh, well. Yep, I just sprayed that right in my ear. Ugh. Hey. I can't talk.
I'm colorblind, the clearest sky.